Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm continuing the series about the Red Opel sports cars, and this is gonna be the last car from the series. What we got here, it's an Opel Astra GTC in an amazing red color. Other than the color, the wheels on the car are awesome as well. They're the nice 5-spoke wheels. Without further ado, let me take it out of the box. The opening parts on the model are the doors. Okay guys, this was the last video from my sports Red Opel cars series. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so for more amazing videos. Thank you.